Hey friends, we're just at home today. We got a lot of, what is it? It's not really upgrades, just general repairs we got to do to the camper. I want to do some wiring to Big Ugly, the van. We're going to do some pressure washing here at the house.
Some eating of lunch.
Yeah, and so we went out to a restaurant around the corner from our house.
Black Bean Deli.
Oh dear.
One of my favorite places.
So yeah, this, I got the Havana pork platter, which is delicious. We got some kind of like pork thing on top of yellow rice with black beans.
I just got a salad. It's just veggies with some beans.
Yeah, so we're going to eat our lunch and then we're going to get to work. We'll see how much we get done. And we're going to take you guys along with us. Pressure washers out. All the hoses are hooked up.
Tell them how nasty everything is right now.
Angie wants me to show you how nasty everything is right now.
Pretty gross.
So this is like slimy algae. So every time we walk in here now, it feels like you're kind of walking into a lake.
It's disgusting.
Because when they did the concrete, they didn't pour this very well. And so water settles there and water settles there. But we decorated the bench slash shelf. So we're going to clean this up, make it look nice again and not so gross. I am going to be in here. I've got to finish wiring up the light for the second roof vent delete. In the last video, I taped up this around this guy, and I said in the video that it started leaking again. Since then, it's had a couple days to let the sun sit on it and kind of bake it in. I don't think it's going to leak anymore. But anyways, clean up this mess on the floor from the projects I've been working on. I need to wire up that light. This light is good. The maps need to be re-glued from the water leak entry door. It comes apart and the latches were all busted. I think what caused that is if you're looking at the camper from the front on the outside, this section of roof sits crooked, and I think that's from when the tree fell on this thing. So I need to get out there and level that out. This here is pulled away, so I need to reattach that, but also that side sitting down is kicking this side away, so I think that's what caused that to pull out. So I need to reattach that. If I get all of these things done, I got wiring I need to do on Big Ugly, so I can hook up the trailer lights and just kind of clean up the wires inside the van. I better get to work and get this done today. A minute. All done. Same with this one. And they look good. I think next we're going to glue the maps back up. The maps cleaned up nice. I think it looks good again. Angie, you like the maps? Oh, she's napping. Oh, Angie swept the floor, which was super awesome of her. The next thing I want to do to the camper is going to be fixing the way the roof sits on this side, because this corner sits low, because that's low, throwing out my door, which this thing messed up, broke the latch, so I'm remaking the latches that hold the two door pieces together. But I want to fix the roof before I fix the door, because I think that's going to kind of mess things up. And I'm back. In a couple hours. I had dinner. It was lovely. Chipotle. If you didn't understand what I was talking about earlier, I don't know if you're going to be able to pick this up on the camera, but this side over here of this top section is lower than this side. So what I have to do is right here. These are torsion springs. They actually twist when you fold this arm down, and this is what holds the top up. So I'm going to take all these bolts out, put a jack underneath here, and lift it up until it slides off of this spring a little bit, until everything looks like it lines up better.
It's about 5:30 now. We've been working on stuff pretty much all day. Let's go see what we're looking like now. I think he's trying to fix the wall so that the roof leaks. I don't know. He told me, and I think that's what he said.
Hello.
Hello. Could you hear me?
No.
No. He had his earbuds in. I don't know if they saw, we got another sticker back here. I got that from an Etsy shop called Donkey Decals. Funny name, but they're really great and affordable. I think I paid $4 for each decal, and they shipped it within like 2 days. So, not sponsored. I just genuinely enjoy them as a shop. They gave me this in my order just as a bonus, and I thought that was so pretty. And yes, I did paint the door. I don't know if I had mentioned it, but it's kind of a seafoam color, between a seafoam and like a mint, and I love it so much. I wanted a pop of color. I really wanted pink, but I was vetoed, so green works. But yeah, I did the doors, or the door. There's only one door. I did, what would you call that? It's decorative, whatever it is, but painted that. And this metal piece that was to fix one of the tree dents, painted that as well. So yeah, it's cute. It's coming along. Slowly but surely. I'm gonna have to wash more tomorrow because I feel like I just got off a base layer. But my beautiful outdoor rug is a lot better than it was, a lot brighter. I'm going to specifically do the rug again tomorrow. The concrete's a lot cleaner now, but as you can tell, coming from the outdoor shower, there's no way for it to drain. And so the problem is, even though I blasted a lot of the algae off, there's nowhere for it to go. So I've been literally taking a broom and trying to sweep out the puddles as I can. But it's exhausting because I feel like every time I sweep, the water comes right back and I get frustrated.
I think we're gonna call it a night.
Yep. We've worked hard today, and we want to go watch Nomadland.
Yeah, we're gonna go watch Nomadland. Well, I'm back at it again today. Hopefully I can get this door sorted. I've got the original latch that was on here was similar to this latch, but it broke. Like, it literally, I went to open it one day and it fell to pieces. Oh, actually, I've got parts of it down here. Here's a part, here's a part, and literally it fell to pieces right in my hand. And since then, the last couple times we used it, I just drilled a hole right here and ran a screw through it, which is fine if you're not popping it up, putting it down all the time. But we've got trips planned this summer, so we need this door fixed. So I've already put this piece of metal on to kind of space out for these things, and I've got some piece of metal going across here to hold the top of the latch. So that's what I gotta do now. I was on the last hole. I got the pilot holes drilled, and I was starting to drill all the other holes, and the drill gave up. So I'm gonna give it. I got a clamp almost hit me on the foot. I'm gonna give the battery a little while to charge up, and I think in the meantime I am going to start pressure washing. I'll pick up where Andrew left off the other day. Alright, y'all, I got the shower floor all cleaned up and looking great again. Alright friends, I gotta stop there. At least now I've got something solid I can bolt both sides of my latch to. I actually have two latches. There's gonna be one here and one here also. So this door, when I'm done with it, should be very secure and not fall apart again, which is a plus. But I gotta go hang out with my boys because I like doing that. So I'll pick this up again tomorrow. I'm back. This is going to be the last section of video. The last day I can work on this. Because I've got too many other projects I need to be working on. Basically all I need to do is mount this little guy on here somewhere. And then another one here, another bottom part here. But I just gotta get after it because I've got other things I need to be doing and I've been working on this for too long. So I'm going to get started. Oh, and I remembered to bring my drills home from work. So I should have plenty of battery today. The door is fixed. It's nice to have this secure so that I know it's not gonna just fall apart on me again. Let's see, we got the beautiful Angie in here. We got all of our chores done.
It took us 5 days, but
it took us more days than we thought it was going to, but we got pretty much
everything.
All the things we wanted to get done accomplished. What all did we do? We finished the lights. We fixed the door.
I painted the door.
We painted the door.
We put a new decal on it.
Yep, we pressure washed the shower.
Oh yeah, that was a big job.
Oh, and we re-glued the mouse.
They are safely back up.
Check out the links in our descriptions if anything we mentioned.
If you care about links.
Yeah, if anything we mentioned in this video has any interest to you.
And if you're like,
check it out.
wow, I really want a pink pedometer watch.
Lots of colors. She just chose pink because
I'm trying to.
It's not like a bright pink, it's a cool pink. And the train's coming, so y'all, thanks for watching. We're getting there, and we will see you on the next one.